Oh, I don't like that. Yeah, this is my TV. Corner. This my Xbox, and what appears to be the replacement controller, cause two of the wireless ones went bad. Yeah. God, I got a very eerie feeling that the minute I flip this switch, I'm gonna just short. What freaking jump back? I thought I got shocked by the controller. That's how scared I am. Ooh, this is scary. You have no idea how scary this is. And this TV is very annoying. Yeah. What am I trying to do here? What the? Oh, that's. That's funny. I'm not one to operate the TV. That's simply conserved for you and my particular configuration. I just don't gonna mess up. I know it. I just know that something out of all of this is gonna mess up. Or it's already messed up, but ain't showing any sign of it. It would be very funny if it turned out to be a bunch of junk. That's funny as heck. But you know what? It always gets ridiculous in these kind of things. No, I cannot guarantee this replacement controller being a proper controller for this machine. When I'm playing games on it now, it tends to sound like a jet engine. What was that? I swear I went like a spark and jumped across there. Another thing has not been fired up in about a month. Or nearly close to it. And you probably hear the sound of plastic snapping nearby. And that would be due to the fact that there's somebody else that just so happened to be working on an original Xbox console. And I'm going to pause my recording. I'm probably about to run out of space, kind of a bother with getting a good storage for this thing. Anyway, hold on a minute. And now the console just shut down on me, apparently. I have no idea why. The love acting funky for some reason. I hate this thing. And did it just seriously try to cut off my recording? I swear this. Come on now, you will not return home. No. You ain't gonna do that. You would want to stay on. And for Pete's sake, can this thing not boot loop? Give me a minute. Oh boy. It's a ventilation issue. Oh, I hate this stuff about these things. Basically just button mashing because it ain't responding.